All right, so here's this quick little message for you. Always remember that as you are moving forward in your life, improving your personality, improving your confidence, improving your professional life, and getting that promotion and more respect and recognition, and getting more emails basically from people who need your help, and also improving your financial life, improving your health, having more energy, more passionate, intimate relationship with your spouse. You know what I'm talking about? As you go through and grow through all these things and improve, I want you to remember this. All of this is useless if you're not having fun. If you're not having fun, all of this is useless. But the problem for most men and also sometimes women is that we think many times, once I get there, then I'll be happy or have fun. Once I reach that level of professional success, then I'll have fun. Once I make that amount of certain money, then I'll have fun. But the problem is when you put that fun factor into a future, you are screwing up your present. Point to be remembered, my lord. So, as you know, you have challenges and so do I. Everybody has challenges. Everybody in this world has challenges. There is an old story that one person went to Gautam Buddha and said, my son died and I want to commit suicide because my son died. Can you return my son? And Buddha says, well, just bring a mustard from a home of one person who never has any death in his family. So the man goes out, says, hey, did you have a death in your family? Yes. Okay, I can't take mustard from you. He goes to another person. He never found a family where there was no death. He comes back to Gautam Buddha and says, I got my lesson. Buddha says, what is the lesson? And he said that death is natural. And in the same way, everybody has a tough time, right? You have a tough time in your family, in your professional sometimes life, in your health, maybe money-wise, maybe stress-wise, maybe how you feel, maybe there is no bonding and connection with your wife that you had back then. It's no more there. I understand that. But even with challenges like this, I want you to have fun because fun is a choice. It's not an event. So when you have fun in a day-to-day life, life becomes great because now you're not waiting for 2025. Then you'll be happy. You're choosing happiness right now. For example, today you can buy some flowers for your wife, like one flower. Let's say if her birthday is, good example by the way, okay? Girls remember these things, women do remember these things. If your wife's birthday is on 17th, buy 17 roses. You say, no, I've done that before. Do it now. Are you doing it right now? No, that's the reason it doesn't have the fire anymore. Make sense? Do those things. If you want to surprise a friend, instead of giving him a gift, buy a gift that is customized for him. Have fun doing that. Instead of just buying a fast food, if you're hungry, buy a fast food that you liked as a child and enjoy it, savor it. I do that all the time. Why? Because I have chosen to have fun and happiness and success every single day of my life, especially in 2018. And you can do the same thing. You can make the same choice for yourself. That's my tip for you. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection.